Welcome again, I'm Kathy, and welcome to Florida, growing and living. And here I am in Central Florida, and I just got home from the store and I bought a new gorilla cart to haul things around in. I'm here in my garage and I'm trying to put the gorilla cart together by myself. I can do it. I've done a lot harder things before. I'll show you a picture of what it looks like. It's right over here. And let's see if you guys can see. Here's what the picture looks like. And I think it'll be a big help to me to get everything put to, I can take, like when I buy my soil, my potting mix, garden soil and everything, and bring it from the garage, from my car, back to the backyard. It'll be a lot easier than just dragging it or carrying it. Let's see, I am in my garage, and this is my husband's car. We're going for So back to this cart. Down here, we gave the wheels. There's 4 of them, of course. I've got to figure out how to put them on. And I have this up on a table, a card table. Trying to fit it all together is a little bit hard. I have a manual that I'm using, and it's okay, it's just time consuming. So I'm gonna put this on fast forward and you can watch me put all this together.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
Whoops, sorry.
You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.